Welcome back. Well, Delhiites this morning witnessed heavy rainfall that lashed parts of Delhi NCR as well. Today morning, much needed relief that came in from this very humid weather. As far as the IMD is concerned, which has now issued a yellow alert for national capital and adjoining areas, indicating possibility of more showers later in the day. Yellow alert that has now been cited with the maximum and the minimum temperatures that are likely to hover around 36 to 27 degrees Celsius as well. But this has brought about much related relief. But on the other hand, rains and heavy rains means waterlogging, and such has been the pictures now that has been witnessed. One spell of rain, and this is where waterlogging that has been reported in many of those areas of Delhi and NCR as well, which causes a lot of inconvenience to the commuters, especially this morning, who were headed to their offices. But such has been the state of waterlogging that has now been reported in multiple parts of the city as well. And weather updates that we share with our viewers as far as the maximum and minimum temperatures are also concerned. But the yellow alert that has now been cited for at least the coming next 2 days. So for Delhi, for Noida, for Ghaziabad, for Meerut, for Baghpat, for other adjoining areas as well, that are now expected to receive moderate to intense rain in the upcoming hours, as the monsoon seems to be inducing scattered thunderstorms over these particular regions. The relative humidity that currently stands at around 68%. This is a much needed relief that came in, especially for Delhiites, and the air quality index that has been the best for all, that has improved and has been recorded in the satisfactory category, that read at below 90 in the morning today, according to the Central Pollution Control Board as well. But this has been the highest that has been in the city that has received the rainfall. It was last month as well, and more showers that are now expected through the coming weeks as well. Let's in the meantime go across to Shivani as well. Shivani, at the meantime that you've been reporting since morning as well, it is however difficult to report outside because of the heavy and the intense spell of rain being witnessed.
Amita, today Delhi woke up to rainfalls, and this was after a very long gap, and recent humidity was there and people got some relief. But yes, when last time it had rained in Delhi heavily, we saw a lot of disruption on the roads, and similar pictures are now emerging in Delhi because early morning the traffic got slow, but now we see a lot of vehicles are stuck on roads because in a number of areas, on a number of roads, there is waterlogging in Delhi, and the IMD has issued a yellow alert for Delhi and the adjoining areas. Amitabh, they say that Delhi might see rains for the day and for the upcoming days too, and this rainfall can be of the measurement of 6 to 11 centimeters. So the Delhiites are certainly getting a relief from the humidity, but they have to be prepared to start early to work. Because this is a weekday, we see a lot of slow traffic on the roads in Delhi and a lot of waterlogging on different areas in different regions in Delhi itself. So right now also it's drizzling a bit, and the rains are continuing in the national capital. And we also saw a lot of roads that are filled with water and traffic getting slower.
All right. Do enjoy the weather there, Shivani, but also be careful. Thank you very much for joining in. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Hour.